Yes, myself, Dr. Muralidhar Vadiger, presently working as a professor and HOD Department of Sharirachna, that's Anatomy, in MRN Ayurvedic Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Bagalkote. This video contains human body parts and organs, so that this video is recommended to only for the medical students for medical education. Let's begin. So next we are going to discuss about the incisions on the pectoral region. The first mark should be done on the suprasternal notch. Second is marked on the gyphoid process. And third point should be nipple. And fourth point should be anterior axillary fold. And fifth point should be lateral end of the clavicle. Or you can say prominence of the shoulder. And first make these points. After making the points, next how to make the incision? The first incision made by joining the suprasternal notch to the blade. Suprasternal notch. From the suprasternal notch to the gyphoid process, we are going to make the first incision. And second incision, I am going to extend along with the clavicle from the medial end of the clavicle to the lateral end of the clavicle or prominence of the shoulder. We are extending the line here. So this is a second incision. And third incision should be from the gyphoid process to the transversely up to the mid axillary line. So we are going to extend like this. And last incision, it is an oblique incision. We are going to start the incision from the gyphoid process up to the nipple. And around the nipple, we are going to take the circular incision, and after that, we are extending this incision up to the anterior axillary fold. After this anterior axillary fold, so we are going to extend. So this incision vertically up to the upper part of the arm. In the upper part of the arm, once again we are going to take the transverse incision. So these are the incisions what we are taken during the pectoral region dissection.